Hello, everybody. Today is Monday, February 3rd. Um, and today I'm going to try to fold a bird. Cool. So, I kind of want to keep this piece of paper. So, I'm going to be doing today's folds with Friday's nifty tip paper. Alrighty, and for the first step, you can't see it because of the lighting, but it looks like we fold like a kite shape. Yep, cool. I'm just gonna get started then. It doesn't say to fold, but I'm going to anyway because I want to have like something like a reference fold. I guess like a guide. I kind of messed up already. Nice. Okay, new point. Okay. Kite looking thing. And then we mounted fold this. Oh, I don't think I did. Oh, never mind. I lied, guys. I lied. No reaction. I take that back. Okay. And then we fold these back. They don't like tell us how far to fold them back, so I'm just gonna fold it to the line. Because I like to. I mean, there is no line. I meant the points in the back. And then we fold these down. Oh, I'm just gonna do this then. Perfect. And then also on this side. I forgot you guys could see. Sorry. Alright. They're uneven. That's awkward. Awkward. I think I did it wrong then. I'm sure it's fine. And then we fold these two back up. And then we fold this. Hold star at the top while folding the front flap down. Like this. Okay, so we have to push this in. Mountain folds. So like this. hold at the top while folding the front flap down, but we push this in at the same time. Oh, like this? I think I got it. Why do I have that? Oh no, I sound like that. Oh, but I don't think I got it. Cause isn't this supposed to be pink down here? Oh, I think I got it. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty cool. I think I got it. Nice. I think I did it, guys. I think I did it. That's pretty cool. Now I gotta do it on the other side. I don't remember how I did this, if I'm gonna be honest. I'm just gonna no, but then the point. Okay. To be honest, guys, I don't know how I did this. So, I think I did this thing. No, just kidding. I guess I do know how I did it. Nice, nice, nice. It appears I have done it. Cool. Okay. And then we fold this up. And we fold this one up too. And then we rotate it, and then we fold it in half. This way? Or is it the other way? I'm assuming it's this way. And then we mountain fold, or inward, do the inside reverse, outside reverse thing. I don't know what the folds are called, but you do the inside one, I think. Oh, my feet are uneven. Then we do this. Beep, 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 beep. We fold it. And then we fold more, because I think that's too small. And then we open it and push in. My bird face is kind of crooked. Okay, maybe I should do a bigger one. What do you guys think? You know, that's okay. And then for this one, we kind of do one of these maneuvers. my bird. Looks kind of awkward. I think it's top heavy. Oh, never mind. It actually stands by itself, which is pretty cool, I think. Yeah, that's what it looks like. That's my bird. Cool. Alrighty, seems like we have reached the end of the instructions. Which means we are done. I saw on this page it says there's like a holiday. St. Brigid's Day from Ireland. I don't know if I said that right, but yeah. You're Irish, I guess. Yeah. Bird done. So the holiday recognized. Now I have the bunny bag. Now I shall put this bird in the bunny bag. Ooh. Alrighty. That's all it's for today. I hope you guys had a great weekend, and good luck for the rest of the week. Yep. Bye.